Hello esteemed colleagues. In this tutorial video we will review suppliers section of the purchase module. This section is available only for office employees and is used to fill and view details about suppliers. First of all, you will need to access suppliers section. You can do it either from home page or from left side menu. Left side represents list of suppliers. Please pay attention that some of the suppliers are highlighted with red. Means this supplier doesn't have some of the mandatory documents which should be uploaded. Above the list there are two search options. First is the search bar where you can find supplier by name, and second is drop-down list search by group. Groups can be created and assigned in system settings by responsible person. Right side represents information about supplier and can be separated by sections. Legal info like company name, registration number, etc. Bank details, supplier contacts, mandatory document, attachments. It can be any attachment related to this supplier, and delivery files, which will be added here when office employee will work with vessel orders. On top right side of the screen, you will find Save button to save changes and Add Supplier button, which allows to create a new supplier. We will not review supplier creation since it will have the same fields as I have described before, and is pretty simple. Hope this information was helpful. Subscribe to stay tuned, and thanks for watching.